Amol. Our today's topic is management spectrum. Management spectrum describes the management of a software project, and basically it focuses on some concepts which we have to manage well. These terms or these resources, we can say, uh, these are namely four P's, and these four P's are people, product, process, and project. Here, the manager of the project has to control all these P's to have a smooth flow in the project progress and to reach the goal. Or we can say that if we want to prepare a successful project or want to increase the success rate of a project, we have to manage these four P's, namely people, product, process, and the project. By graphically, we can see all these. By graphically, we can see all our these four P's: the people, product, project, and process. Let's check all these separately, like the people. People, as you all know, the human resource, including the manager, associated with the project, all these human resource come under the people. The developer, customer, user, all these come under people, and we have to manage these for a successful project. Our next term is product. The product is any software which we are going to develop. Okay, to develop successfully, the project objective and scope should be established. Alternative solutions should be considered, and technical and management constraints should be identified that are associated with the product. Here, our main product is a software. Okay, the next one is process. What process or what framework we are following to create our software product? This will comprise the detailed and the comprehensive plans to develop a software. And the last one is the project. The project includes all and everything of the total development process, and to avoid project failures, the manager has to take some steps, has to concern about some common warnings, etc. As we have discussed, the people, product, process, all these things come under the project. So project comprise all these things. Okay, so the project should be managed well. Okay class, this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.